sa akin. It's super hard. Morning, guys. It's day 2 here in Georgia. It's currently 7:48 ng umaga. And we are ready, guys. Maga yung tour namin kasi pupunta kami ng Godauri. Magsiski kami doon, guys, for experience. Yeah, so nag-check kami kanina ng temperature doon and it's negative 8. Currently negative 8 in Godauri. So good luck sa amin later. So yung layers namin, guys, is 3-3-3. 3 medyas. 3 pang baba, 3 pang taas. So, nandito na si Tariel, yung tour guide namin, sobrang aga niya. And then, along the way daw, magbe-breakfast kami kasi may alam siyang place kung saan kami magbe-breakfast. So, yeah, I'll see you in Godauri. Guys, we're on our way. It's already 8:02. On time. So, it's a little bit cloudy today. Hopefully sa mountain may araw para maganda yung pictures natin, guys. Sobrang lamig right now. Tignan niyo si John Rex. Lamig na lamig.
This is it.
So, how's your sleep, guys?
I sleep very well. But you know.
Nakatulog kami. Konti, guys. But, yeah, everything is good. We're very excited to try ski. Let's see if we can make it. If kaya namin, guys. Alright, see you.
It's really good. Dusty roads and evening skies.
Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa Javari Monastery. Nandiyan siya, guys. Yan. Hindi na kami pupunta doon kasi mas maganda daw dito yung view kapag dito kami nag-picture lang naman. Stop over lang. Sobrang lamig, guys. Oh. But the place is so beautiful and peaceful and calm.
Last time we went to Armenia, it's too cold.
It's super nice. The view is amazing.
Group picture, you want? Yeah, group picture.
Cause we're young and we're beautiful.
Bari.
Where are you?
And morning. Morning.
Guys, look at this. Philippines.
Kala namin, guys, hindi na kami pupunta dito sa taas. Kala namin doon lang para picture. Pupunta pala kami doon. Ang lamig!
Uy, no kayo.
Kaya po sa Godauri?
This church will be open. Now is mass.
Ah.
Silent when we go inside.
Okay.
But it's 1 hour, no?
Guys, when we go in the church, head
Yeah,
off, remove.
Yes.
And the ladies no.
And I saw number no? Where's the most beautiful? How old is
Because
this church?
this is from the 6th century. 586-7 was started and 604 finished. That means end of the 6th and beginning of 7th century. It's very old.
Sobrang ganda dito, guys. Overlooking. But sobrang lamig. Nanganginig na yung kamay ko. Sobrang nam. This monastery is one of the most iconic places in Georgia. It's located on top of a hill right where the Aragvi and Metavari rivers meet. The spot itself is peaceful, but it also feels powerful, like you're standing in history. Javari actually means cross in Georgian. The story goes that Saint Nino, who brought Christianity to Georgia, placed a wooden cross here in the 4th century. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which makes sense when you see how well it's preserved and the history behind it. If you're ever in Michiqueta or near Tbilisi, definitely make time to visit this place. Hi guys, tapos na kami sa Javari Monastery.
Yeah, let's check.
Nawala yung gloves ni Junvex as usual, guys.
Now I can bring back.
No.
Sobrang lamig sa taas,
He has
guys.
it, but
Mahangin
we
kasi.
took photo, no?
Hindi naman nilalamig yung katawan namin, but yung kamay namin, guys.
Here, no?
Sobrang numb na siya. But the place is so beautiful. So,
Nothing.
pababa na kami. Pababa na kami, and then maghahanap kami ng pang saan
Nothing?
kami mag-breakfast.
No,
It's okay.
So, okay.
Somewhere here, or maybe he left it in the.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Fresh Cafe, guys. Dito kami dinala ni Tariel. Along the way lang siya sa pupuntahan namin. Dito kami magbe-breakfast. So, it's already 9:13 in the morning. Malapit lang siya doon sa monastery na pinuntahan kanina. Sobrang lamig, guys. This is what we ordered, guys. Cheese bread, egg, mushrooms, and what is this? Like lasagna. And of course, rice and beef. Rice and beef.
Yes,
Hi guys, we are done. Tapos na kaming mag-breakfast, guys. So, nag-picture-picture lang kami saglit. It's already 9, anong oras na ba? Check nga natin. It's already 10 pala, guys. 10 in the morning. So, yeah, papunta na kami sa Godauri, guys. I think yung travel time going to Godaura is 2 hours maximum. Yeah, so baka darating kami doon around 11, almost 11:30 or 12, guys. So yes, I update you once we are in Godauri. Hi guys, nagto kami nag-stop over kami dito sa may Zin Valley Dam. Zin Valley, pero this is not yung talagang actual na touristy area. So, nandito lang siya sa gilid sa daan, guys, na may I Love Georgia. So, malapit na kami sa Godauri, guys. Maganda dito. This is the dam. Market. Hot one. Oh, they have Georgian flag. Yeah. Daming tao dito, guys. Sobrang daming tao. Yan, may Georgian flag. Bricks. Nandito kami ulit sa Zin Valley Reservoir. Water Reservoir. Sobrang lamig din dito, guys. Daming shop dito, guys. They are selling different kinds of winter gear. Daming mga gloves. Nagbebenta sila ng gloves, earmuffs, jackets, coats, scarves. So yes.
You want coffee or something?
Hey guys, we just made a quick stop at Zin Valley Dam, and I have to say, this view is incredible. The turquoise water surrounded by mountains look like something straight out of a painting. So if you're doing a road trip through Georgia, make sure this place is on your list. Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Two Color River.
Ah, there.
Still some. Still some. Not so
Oh,
much.
nice.
Still some. I will listen to you until good pictures of this.
Hey guys, another quick stopover naman tayo, and we are here dito sa Two Color Rivers, as what they call it. It's the meeting point of two rivers, the Aragvi and the Matavari rivers. What's really fascinating about this, guys, is the rivers have two different colors. One has a lighter, almost milky color, and the other one is darker. And when they meet, you can clearly see the contrast. It's like a natural two-tone river. It is a beautiful example, guys, of how nature can surprise us in the most unexpected ways.
Lag.
Saglit lang kami dito, guys. Check lang kami. And we're going to Godauri ski. Sobrang lamig. Ooh, nakikita na namin yung mga snow, guys.
Down by the river where the willows weep, I'll watch the Georgia sunrise, memories to keep. You in my arms, your whisper in my ear. In that golden morning light, everything was clear. Frost on the fields, the morning mist was so fine. We walked hand in hand through that sweet southern pine. Your laugh was the songbirds, your smile was...
Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Godauri. So, sakto lang talaga, guys. Dumating kami dito around 12 noon, mga 12:10. So, madami na ng tao, madami na nagsiski, guys. So, sabi ni Tariel, pupunta muna daw kami sa second level. Sasakay kami ng cable car. Tapos, magbaba kami ulit dito for ski lesson. Buti na lang hindi masyadong mahangin, guys, kasi if mahangin sobrang lamig. Alright. I don't know if we will take the open one or the closed one, but I think close siguro kasi sobrang lamig, guys. Yee! Hi guys, dito kami sa loob ng restaurant. We're planning to get some wine muna kasi sobrang lamig. Gusto namin at least may pampainit sa katawan.
Why na lang?
Nakakatawa, guys, kasi nag-washroom kami of all na restaurant na puntahan namin, and then na may washroom. Dito pa yung may bayad. Tapos meron pang hindi pa malinis yung washroom, guys. Mabaho, sobrang dumi. Anyway, hihina kasi kami, wala kaming choice. Nag-order kami ng cha-cha, guys. Georgian alcohol drink. So, sabi nila, Tariel, it's made of grapes and mixed with vodka. So, matapang daw siya. So, dapat 20 grams lang daw kasi kapag may-reach na siya ng 50, sobrang tapang na daw siya. So, ito try lang namin. And then, maybe we will have some wine. So, this is the cha-cha, guys.
Cha-cha-cha.
Try namin. Good luck. Matapang daw kasi siya.
One time, tomorrow, let's see.
No ski happening.
Yan lang.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Cheers.
Cheers.
One time, huh?
Time ka diba?
That's German for you.
It's like,
Nope.
tequila. It's like the tequila.
It's like tequila.
No salt, no lemon.
What you can make?
May tequila ganun eh.
Vodka, ganun daw. Vodka. Pero ang lasa na yung tequila.
No?
Name?
Ikaw nami. tapos na kaming inuman. Doon nag-wine lang kami and then nag-cha-cha lang sila saglit. Just yung parang sigurong pampainit lang ng katawan namin, guys. So, it's almost 1 PM. Papunta na kami doon sa next level. Sasakay kami ng cable car, guys. Woo! Ganda dito, guys. If you're coming here, please bring your gloves, earmuffs. Make sure you wear your heat tech, your warmer. Kasi sobrang lamig talaga, guys. But don't forget to try ski, guys. It's a really nice experience if you are here.
Nindot kayo ang snow ini ka na, no?
Oh, di ba, Brex?
Yes. Nice guys at the end.
Yeah.
20.
So yung price is 20 lari each. No? Yes. Going up. I don't know if it's round trip. Round trip pa yun? Yeah, it's round trip daw. 20 lari, guys, each person. So it's around how many dirhams now? 130 per person, guys, round trip. Lahat na. Okay, lahat na pala. Okay. Cable car.
Here, stay there or here, stay here. Come. Go, 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 go.
Go, sit. See you tomorrow. Okay, ito ka nila. Yeah. Wow! You want to open, huh?
Oh, it's nice.
Abby,
Hi.
how are you?
Yay! Cable car again!
I'm very warm. very warm.
Hey, say hi here. Hi guys, welcome to our vlogs. We have so many vlogs.
Nice! So guys, nandito na kami sa Tuktok. Dito na kami sa second level, guys. Sobrang ganda. Brex?
Ay, nakaman sila dito.
I think nagsa-snowfall kahit I think konti, guys, nagsa-snowfall siya. Pero sobrang ganda dito. Trick yung araw pero sobrang lamig, guys. Such a good experience.
Hello.
So warm. Tingnan niyo si Brex, guys, nagla-live. Nandun siya. Layo niya sa amin. Tingnan niya. Guys, ganda dito, guys. Yes. So, bababa kami. Doon kami magsiski kasi yung parang dandun yung mga rental ng ski, guys. Daming nagsiski ngayon. Sobrang ganda ng lugar. Yung sa Armenia naman, madaming mga puno along the way. kapag nasa cable car. Dito, puro snow talaga yung makikita mo, guys. Sobrang ganda talaga.
More cold up and down there.
Yes. Then, nagsusnowfall, guys. May snowfall context. Nagsusnow siya. So, aside sa cable car, guys, meron din silang mga paragliding dito. I believe medyo pricey siya at 300 dirhams or most likely 400 lari, guys. So, it's up to you if you're adventurous person, you can try the paragliding. And then, meron din sila ditong snowmobile. So, if it's up to you, guys, kung gusto nyo ma-experience. But for me, paragliding, it's not my... Especially ngayon na nagsusnow, sobrang lamig, guys. So, it's not really for me. But if you're up to adventure, then why not? You can try paragliding here, guys. Daming nag-o-offer dito, guys. Bababa na kami, guys.
Wala kang video breaks, ha?
We'll do skiing.
Nag-live na lang siya.
Skiing na naman kami.
So,
Nagsusnowfall siya, guys, pero konti lang. Hindi nyo makikita siya. Mangga!
Hello.
uy! My God. Mahulog na itong cellphone. Tulbaan ka.
Pero if my fear of heights kayo, guys, I would not recommend try this open one. I would recommend take the closed one. May closed cabin sila dito. Yeah. So if you have fear of heights, yung close yung i-try nyo, wag yung open, guys. Kasi nakakatakot talaga siya. Nakakalula.
But very nice. Take video na to. Mataas yung ito para makita nagasakay ka sa ano.
Going down.
That's Zumba.
Going down, guys.
Hello!
Hi.
Oh.
Very good, very good.
Basta sa itong mga people diha, thank you for watching. Ay! Obre! Asa na mo? Ipangita mo diri day.
So guys, we're going ski! Maghahanap kami ng rental ski, guys. So si Tariel na bahala namin, may mga kakilala yata siya dito. So magre-rent kami. Di pa namin alam magkano. But I think it's not that expensive. We'll try because nandito na kami. For experience, guys.
Sapatos kay karon na gamiton.
How's your snow experience,
Yeah,
Bex?
it was very, very wonderful.
Wow! Amazing!
And amazing.
Yes. Ganda dito, guys, actually. Super, super. Yung snow, sobrang kapal talaga. Grabe.
Mas ano dito?
It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience talaga, guys. For Filipinos like us na wala tayong ganito. So, if you have the opportunity, if you have the opportunity to come, better grab this opportunity, guys, because this is just a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Yes, we want to try. Yes. So 190 is included everything, the gear and everything.
Yes.
Okay. So
Let's go, let's go. Yeah.
okay. See? Ay! Told you. Did you come to
Okay, hold it.
I don't like the color pink. That's why I changed. Gina mga astronaut, asa mo pa doon mga astronaut? Mga astronaut, asa mo? Siyempre, model. Here we go.
So guys, sobrang hirap pala. Uncomfortable yung sapatos, guys. So yung nabayaran pala namin lahat is 533 gel. Kaming apat na with the instructor, guys. So 30 minutes yung instructor. Tapos, lahat ng gear kasama na doon. So, 130 dirhams per head kami lahat, guys. So, wala pa akong instructor, guys. Nandun na sila. Nag-start na sila. Oh my God, it's so hard, guys. It's so uncomfortable using these shoes. But it's worth to try. But for me, no, I don't want it. It's like, I don't know. I don't know how to explain. But, very tiring siya, guys. Kasi, dapat kasi secure yung legs mo para iwas disgrasya.
Forward straight.
I don't have any video. Okay? Go! Okay, go na. Go! Guys, ay, hindi to para sa akin. It's super hard. Nasa snow ako but I'm sweating a lot, guys. I'm sweating a lot.
For real, listen.
Oh my God. Brex, how's your experience, Brex?
So tired.
Yeah. Guys, alam nyo ba? Nasa snow kami pero pinapawisan ako, promise. This is not my thing, guys. This is not my thing. It's super hard. Tapos ang bigat ng sapatos, ang bigat nitong gear, lahat mabigat. Tapos babalik ka pa doon sa slope. Shucks. So tiring. Parang nauuhaw na ako, guys.
Pwede na to din mag-hold.
How?
Hi!
How's your experience?
It was great but it's very difficult and challenging to go up.
Yeah. Yung paakyat talaga. Kasi after dun sa pinakadulo, you have to take all this gear. Tapos aakyat ka ulit, guys. Diyos ko Lord, ang hirap talaga, promise. But it's worth the try, no? It's worth the try. We paid 130.
It's very good.
Anyway, after naman ng instructor namin, you can use the gear anytime or whole day if you want to. So unlimited na siya, parang ganon. Hi guys! It's already 4 PM dito sa Godauri. Nandito pa rin kami. Tapos na kaming mag-ski. Ako lang at saka si Realin, guys, kasi napapagod na kami. Sobrang sakit ng legs ko, guys, dahil sa sapatos. Nag-enjoy. Alam naman ni Realin paano siya gawin, kaso nakakapagod kasi kapag pabalik kasi slope area siya, so kapag pabalik ka nakakapagod kasi bit mo yung tawag dyan, sled, ski, something. Oo, pinapawisan kami actually, guys, sa loob na pero ang lamig dito, pinapawisan kami. Siguro for the first time, yun yung normal lang siguro na ganun yung mafe-feel mo kasi nga naninibago ka sa mga sinusuot mo. Pero sa mga, kung makikita mo yung mga professional dito, parang wala lang para sa kanila, parang easy peasy lang sa kanila. Kahit may mga bata nga dito, guys, parang sobrang pro na nila, guys. Parang hindi masakit yung mga legs nila. Chill lang sila, pero nakakapagod talaga, guys. But it's worth the try. It's really worth the try. Kung nandito kayo, then you have to try it. Nakakatakot siya guys actually. But super fun.
Yeah.
Super fun. Yeah, susunduin lang namin yung dalawa kasi alas 4 na. Dapat na naming bumaba guys before sunset. At least medyo may araw pa pababa. Yung tour guide namin nandun lang sa ski house. It's just so funny guys kasi nung nag-change kami ng sapatos.
Hindi ka na marunong maglakad.
Yung feeling mo hindi ka na marunong maglakad kasi parang wala ka nang mapifeel. Sobrang numb na ng legs mo.
Sobrang bigat.
Sobrang bigat kasi ng sapatos.
Bago dito.
Breaks! Sobrang ganda dito guys, ang kapal ng snow.
Nag-anas lang.
Sobrang kapal ng snow, but nag-i-enjoy talaga si Vrex at saka si Raycon guys. Sobrang enjoy nila. Worth it yung binayad nila. Kasi sinulit talaga nila. But for us, si Rhea nag-enjoy naman pero talaga ako hindi ko na kaya. Parang yung mga veins sa loob ng legs ko, parang nagka-clog na siya. Sobrang sakit talaga. Yun lang naman yung experience ko. Hindi talaga siya para sa akin guys. But it's worth the try. For the gram. So by the way, hindi sila nag-a-accept ng any card guys. Credit card, either cash or debit card lang yung ina-accept nila na payment. So if you're planning to try the activities here, dala kayo ng cash or debit card guys. Kasi hindi sila nag-a-accept ng credit card. So again, yung nabayaran namin is total of 533 Larry.
700 dirhams, 750 dirhams.
7 divided by 4. So included na yon ng 30 minutes na with the instructor, which is walang kwenta. Pero okay lang naman, pero hindi sila as engaging as we expected kasi siguro language barrier. Siguro ganon. But overall, okay lang naman. Hindi kami naggumamit ng ibang gear. Yung sinuot lang namin na pants lang, no? But the upper, hindi na kami nagbihis ng upper. Hindi na namin pinalitan yung mga jacket namin. Kasi okay lang naman yung jacket namin. Pero kapag pupunta kayo, I would recommend na magsuot kayo yung comfortable kayo. Kasi mabigat yung mga gear, guys. So, yun. Nagsusnowfall na siya, guys. Okay.
Tara!
We will call them nuts because it's too cold. And magla-lunch pa kami. Hindi pa kami nag-lunch, guys. Yung last namin nakain yung breakfast kanina, which is konti lang. And then nag-inuman lang kami saglit. Just to make ourselves a little bit warm inside.
Pero pag nag-ski ka, nagwa-warm yung katawan.
Oo, nagwa-warm kasi na stress ka maglakad. Alright, guys. Gusto sana namin mag-snowmobile kaso lang I think we don't have time now. Kasi gusto na namin bumalik sa Tbilisi. O maybe na sa Armenia na lang siguro kami mag-try mag-ski, guys. Alright. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Friendship Monument. So this is Georgian and Russian Friendship Monument, guys. So nagsusnowfall na talaga siya, guys. So picture lang kami dito, tapos baba na, and then we will have late lunch or early dinner, shall I say. Gutom na kami, but kaya pa. This is super nice. This is the Friendship Monument, also known as the Russia-Georgia Friendship Monument. It was built in 1983 to celebrate 200 years of the Treaty of Georgievsky, a pact between the Russian Empire and the Georgian Kingdom. The structure was a Soviet project symbolizing unity between the two nations. The design is stunning, a giant semicircular structure made of stone and concrete perched right on the edge of a cliff. Inside, there's a massive tile mural depicting scenes from Georgian and Russian history, legends, and daily life. It's colorful, surreal, and feels like a time capsule from the Soviet era. But honestly, What makes this place magical is the view. You're surrounded by snow-capped mountains, dramatic cliffs, and vast skies. It feels like you're on the edge of the world. Standing here, I have mixed emotions. It's beautiful but also a reminder of complex history. Whether you come here for the art, the views, or the history, the Friendship Monument is definitely worth the stop. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant, the Riali Restaurant. So it's a Georgian restaurant guys. So from Friendship Monument, dumiretso na kami dito. Siguro mga 10 minutes drive from Friendship Monument kasi gutom na din kami. Then kapag doon pa sa Tbilisi or doon sa Paba, malayo pa yung biyahe. So it's almost 5 in the afternoon. So yeah. Hi guys! Tapos na kami dito sa restaurant. Tapos na kami kumain. In fairness guys, masarap yung restaurant. Masarap yung food nila. I would rate the food 9 out of 10 guys. Masarap yung food talaga. Hindi namin naubos, so tinake away. Tinake away namin yung food guys kasi malalaki yung serving. So may naiwan pa kaming chicken garlic sauce, yung ganon. Masarap yun guys, in fairness, masarap siya. So it's already 6 PM. Medyo may araw pa, pero yung Godauri, yung ski resort, it's closed na siya guys. So going back to Tbilisi na, I think magsasap over lang kami saglit sa Ananuri Fortress just for picture taking, and then after that diretso na uwi sa Tbilisi. Okay, see you there. Hi guys, we are back in Tbilisi. Taas yung biyahe namin from Godauri to Tbilisi guys, kasi medyo na traffic kasi madaming mga truck na nakasabay namin sa daan. So yung drive ni Tariel, yung tour guide namin, medyo mabagal lang. So kakarating lang talaga namin. It's already 9:16 ng gabi. Supposedly from Godauri to Tbilisi, sabi niya it will just take 2 hours, but umabot kami ng mga almost 3 hours guys. And anyway, most important thing is we are safe and makapagpahinga na kami. So right now, yung plano is we will sleep early kasi maaga kami bukas. And take some rest. And that's it guys. See you tomorrow.
I'm trying to live in the moment. We got